It's your boy Anu, and I got good news, man. I'm very excited. I don't have one, but two. Capable of 130 miles per hour. Now that's quick. Okay, now it weighs only 450 pounds, and that's without the driver. And 130 to stand still is 2 seconds. So that's crazy. So I just wanted to let you know that I have them in my possession. I'm a truck driver, so I don't have time to do these videos like I want. But stay tuned, I will have more videos coming, and I'm gonna try to upload at least pictures of them, or maybe a video too, if I can right now. So that's what I'm excited about, and I hope you guys like it, man. Hit the like button and subscribe, okay? And I have more content coming. Be safe.